The benefits from this machine right now, just playing around with moving logs for brush pickup is going to be an absolute game changer. Joshua Poffenbarger, Deputy Director of Public Works for the City of Mount Pulaski. Been here a little over 8 years. We do a lot of digging for the City of Mount Pulaski. We do concrete tear-outs, concrete repairs, tree removal, stump removal, tree trimming, brush pickup, leaf pickup, a little bit of everything. In the midst of looking for a new piece of equipment, I had my eyes set on a wheeled excavator. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube overseas where they use the wheeled excavator for like all street repairs, all demolition, I mean, anything that you could possibly think of. And it was, in my eyes, right up our alley. We had a 420 FIT Caterpillar backhoe. We were due for a new purchase, and I thought the wheeled excavator, everything that we do for the city would be the best purchase instead of buying a backhoe, just because the versatility and between the digging and picking things up and street sign removal and street sign installation, this was a lot better purchase for us. We went with the tilt rotator and what I like to call a crab claw. This has the ability of rotating a log if I need to instead of spinning it around in the street and stacking a truck so it doesn't get tangled. It's a win-win for us.